Hello and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Sorry about that. Thank you so much for joining me. I really wanted to show you guys what I was talking about in my last video about using the ppweeks. This is some of it, and when I decided just to do a week in one page, I had a lot left over. I believe I did share this page before. This is a printable. I shared this one before as well. This one is Savannah Paper Co. I'm not 100% if I shared this one, and yeah, everything is from Savannah Paper Co. Even this adorable washi just is so absolutely beautiful. Love this kit. And it's still available. This is a free printable. And I also use some of Planner Envy items for this week. This one is, again, I'm a little confused. I think I'm leaning more towards not Sassy, Savannah Paper Co. But I did purchase some headers from both shops, so I'm gonna list them down below. Date covers, not headers, date covers, excuse me. The glitter headers are from Sassy Planner Co. I know for a fact because I had some leftover from a kit. And I think it was the same kit, but I don't remember which kit. I bought like a bunch of items from her. The rest of the body, the full body of the kit, is actually from it's called Coffee and Donuts from Savannah Paper Co., one of my favorite shops. Anything else that's different? This New School is from Peppermint Planning. The Little Silver Taco is from Inky and the Brain. The washi is from Recollections. And the rest is from, and I just gotta fill it in. Alright, so this week I've shared before. The only thing, like I said, is the Rose Color Days golden balloon. It's my dad's birthday. Alright, so I also wanted to share with you in this video the next week that I worked on. Okay, so this is the black headers, date covers, excuse me, that came in the kit. Not the kit, I purchased this separately anyway. So I had like this little kit from Rose Color Days, all gold. And so I had like this extra items that I didn't use from a kit. I don't remember. I think it's a ppweeks kit from Sassy Planner Co. And I thought that the gold and these little items right here would go nicely. As you can see, I still had a little items from the kit. So yeah, the washi is from a giveaway. Don't know, it didn't have a name on it. This right here is from Metalhead Planner. This is her neutral YouTube icons or social media icons. Anything else? Nope. That's all from Rose Color Days except for the little picture right there. That is from Sassy Planner Co. Rose Color Days. This half box or quarter box is, yeah, it's a quarter box, is from Sassy Planner Co. Sassy Planner Co. Yeah. So date dots are from Karina because I didn't have any more. So I'm so glad her kits come with date dots because I'm always having to rate them. Yeah, thank goodness I hoard them like the dickens because you never know when they're going to come in handy. So yeah, so that is what I've been doing in my Print Impressions planner. This is my PB weeks, as they like to call it, or Print Impressions weeks. And yeah, so that is everything in a nutshell. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, you know, I'll get downstairs and start filming. I don't know, it's been a weird couple of days, but alright guys, thank you for watching. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.